Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company like the Rockbell, Amazons, Mastercard, and other important hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity that is from the Rockwell Automation, they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee, and this is a full-time role. So you can apply till June 12th. So for this, the job locations will be Pune, Maharashtra, and this will be your roles and responsibility like helping maintaining compliance with industry standard document technical process and other things are there. So eligibility area CGPA of 8 or above are required, and bachelor degree in CSIT and other things are required. So if you want, you can apply for that. I'll provide all the applying in the description. From there you can directly access to it. Moving next, that is from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of associate quality services auto software vehicles. So for this, the bachelor degree is required, and you should have knowledge of QA methodology and other tools. So if you have some experience with testing and consumer devices, then you can directly apply with them. Moving to next, and that is a government job, that is from the Sale Steel Authority of India Limited. So they are hiring for the fixed term engagement of young professionals, and this is the various periods. And talking about the eligibility area, so if you have done BTech in various background like the ceramics, mechanical or mechanicals and other like metallurgical, civil, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And for supply chain management, BTech in any discipline can apply. Remember, this is a limited hiring since this is a government job, so there will be basically huge competition. But still, I suggest everyone, those who are eligible, just check out the link in the description and apply. You will be getting the lots of good stipend like monthly consolidated fee in rupees 70,000 for young professional one, for two, and other things are there. So if you want, you can apply. Just refer to the links. So there are the various process. So last date for this or closing date for submitting online application is 1st July 2026. So if you want, you can apply. Moving to next, and that is for the female candidates from the Capgemini. So if you have done BCom, MCom or BBA and want to apply for this important community, then you can apply for this. The job location is Kolkata, Candor office A3, and 15th June 2026, 10 a.m. to 11:30. So this is a kind of working drive. So if you want, you can apply. Okay. Moving to next, this is a off-campus internship at Quantify. 2026 batch can apply for this. So there are various processes. First, online test. Those who clear the aptitude, verbal, and coding, then there will be interview round. So two interview rounds and one HR round will be there. So if you want, you can apply for that. And the requirement is you should having 70% and over in 10, 12th and graduation still now. And only 6 pass out batch can apply. Moving to next, that is for some experienced guys. So for you can apply for the Mastercard analyst analytics role. Okay. So just refer to the link. Moving to second last team meeting, that is from the HBWSL software developer role. Okay, especially those who are 26 graduates can apply. The CTC for this is 9 LP, and in training you'll be getting 50,000 per month. So if you want, you can apply. Moving to second last opportunity, that is a summer school internship kind of things. So if you want, you can apply for this. You should have knowledge of AML, and registration is going on. So if you want, you can apply. There is a three phase for the selections. Okay, first you have to do the SOP submissions, then selection test will be there like part A and part B. 20 MCQ questions on ML concepts and other things are there, and two programming questions will be there to assess your coding skills. So if you want, you can apply. Moving to last appointment, that is from the Maitoshika. They are hiring for the role of, means if you have done the Java or core Java noobs concept have knowledge, then you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Hope video informative to कोई query feel free to ask here. Commenter, I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं next important updates में. Thank you.